Welcome! In this guide, we will show you how to service our low-maintenance range of St Killians candle stands. This is to ensure you keep them in a safe, perfect working condition. Begin by extinguishing any lit candles on the stand. Then, remove glasses that need to be replaced for cleaning. To know if a glass needs to be replaced for cleaning, please use our traffic light system. Green means the glass is clean and can remain on the stand. Amber indicates early signs of wax buildup. It may remain on the stand this time, but should be monitored during the next service. Red means the glass should be replaced. Please remove this glass for cleaning and replace with a fresh clean glass. To clean the glass, soak it in warm water and mild detergent, or simply place it in your dishwashing facility. Next, lift the top retro and set it safely to one side. This can be done with all of the glasses and candles still in place. Then, remove the bottom retro. Hold it at an angle and using the plastic scraper provided, gently remove any excess wax from the retro. Spray it lightly with silicone. Please follow the safety instructions on the can. Remove the wax from the water tray. The water does not need to be replaced, just to ensure the water level remains at approximately 2 inches. Return the bottom retro to the stand. Then, replace the top retro back in position. Add your glasses. Your St Killians candle stand is now fully restored, clean, safe and ready to welcome every prayer and intention.